Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen. Today I'm going to show you how to upload audio to Roblox mobile. So, first thing is just simply, of course, open up the Roblox application into your device and make sure you are signed in. And now from here, just simply go ahead and select more. Now from here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here create. So select that. Now guys, in the top left corner, go ahead and select the three lines beside the home and a side tab will show up. And from here, go ahead and go for the creations. Now from here, just simply go ahead and slide to the left over here and select development items here at the top. And now from here, just simply slide to the left again until you see audio over here. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see here upload asset. And as you can see, you should be able to see here different format file that are available and the maximum size for file. And just simply select upload asset. Now from here, as you can see, you will have here asset type. And from here, make sure it is audio and you will have here upload. So select upload and it will open up your file folder and just simply select an audio. Now guys, once you have uploaded it, just simply provide a name for the audio. And after that, you could also provide a description down below and just simply select upload if you scroll down. And after that, if you scroll down, and from here you should be able to see your audio file, and when you select the three dots you should be able to open the asset details or copy the asset ID. And there you go. If you found this video helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and this will really help me out. Thanks for watching.